Hello guys, welcome back. Let me show you how to perform a hard reset on this device and bypass or remove the screen lock. Start by pressing the power key, choose power off, confirm, and wait until the device is completely switched off. Then use the combination of power key and volume down, hold them together for a few seconds. Release both keys as soon as fast boot or bootloader mode appears. Use the volume keys to navigate and power key to confirm. Scroll down to select recovery mode and press power. Wait until the device reboots, and when the no command screen appears, press power and while holding it, press volume up once. You are now in recovery mode. Navigate using volume keys and confirm with power. Scroll down to wipe data factory reset, confirm, then scroll to yes and confirm. Choose whether to erase user data only or user data plus personalized content, then confirm. Once the wipe is complete, press power to reboot system now. The device will restart and boot into normal mode. Wait for the process to finish. The welcome screen appears and there is no pattern or password, so you can start setting up your device. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and leave a thumbs up on the video.